Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Google Drive for desktop and signing in. This creates the local sync agent. Once installed, grant the app access to your files and notifications so changes propagate. Choose whether you want backup and sync behavior or a mirrored drive file system. This affects local storage use. Now select your first folders. Pick Documents, Desktop, or Specific Project folders. Make sure to confirm permissions and storage choices. That choice determines how much local space Drive will use and what sync behavior you get. You now configure precise sync behavior in Drive preferences so syncing matches your workflow. Open Preferences and pick My Computer or Google Drive, then choose Stream Files to save local disk space or Mirror Files to keep offline copies. Next, set bandwidth limits to avoid choking your network and add proxy settings if your workplace requires them. Exclude large file types or folders you don't need synced. Once you apply settings, Drive will index selected files and start the initial transfer. Watch the status icon for progress. You finish by verifying that files appear both in your local Drive folder and online at Drive. Google.com. This confirms two-way sync. Use the Drive status icon to pause, resume, or inspect sync errors and file conflicts. If a file won't sync, make sure you have permission to edit it, resolve name conflicts, and confirm there's enough local disk space. Also check your internet connection. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in, or restart the Drive app to clear stuck transfers. This often forces a clean rescan and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.